my gosh, listen to the crybabies. When they see me come out, that's when they have to start crying. Mommy, 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 let us out of here. We're suffering. We're trapped in only a half an acre. We want inside the house. Of course, before I come out, it's so quiet. You can hear the birds singing. Hi, Chuck. Hi, Chucky. Chuck. It's gonna be time to take Baron's jacket off pretty soon. It's getting beautiful in the sunshine, but it's still chilly in the shade. It's still chilly in the shade. Hi guys! Wiley, you are so sweet. Look at all the leaves on the ground. That little girl Grace is going to be exhausted when she goes home. She likes shadow. Hi, Grace. Last time Grace was here, she was a puppy. She's gotten so big. Our poor abandoned mama, she's getting better. We're feeding her 5 cans of food a day. 2 in the morning mixed with dry food, 3 in the evening mixed with dry food. So she's filling out, not as skeletal. She is definitely up for adoption here at Dog Bone Ranch, and she is the sweetest white shepherd, white lab is what I'm thinking. And she's so sweet. Such a good dog. She really is. She gets along with everybody. Hi, Simone! 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 There's Sadie. Hi, Sadie. Hi, Sadie. You're so cute. They get a little rowdy when they're playing, but that's okay. It's all about boundaries. Here comes Baron. Look at him. What a good watchdog he is. He's seeing the car pull up. That's Lisa from Lucky Dog Rescue. She's come to pick up a couple of Chihuahuas that we have fostered here. They're taking them to an adoption event, and they're taking them to get chipped and stuff. 3 of the sweetest little angels that were going to be put down. So I better go get the 3 little Chihuahuas. Otherwise, all is well here on this crisp, cold, wintry afternoon here at Dog Bone Ranch.